Hello everybody, this is Terry coming to you with another video here from Los Angeles, California. Actually, due to the strong winds that we're having out here, last night this tree, half of this tree has fallen down right in front of my gate here where I enter in and where I exit out. You see that? This big tree has fallen down. If someone would have been walking past here, they could have been in some serious danger. Now, I don't know how old this tree is, but you can see where the tree is actually, it broke off from here. You see that? It broke off, and then now it's actually right in front of my gate, so I can't even go out. I can't even come in. So what I have to do is I have to climb over that little porch right there. I have to climb over that little porch, and that's how I get out. And that's due to the strong windstorms that we're having out here in Los Angeles, California here. So the winds are very, very strong here. Blew down the tree right here in my front, right in front of my place here. Right in front of my place. So anyway, this is Terry signing out with another video, and hopefully these people will come and cut up this tree so I can actually start to get back out of my interest again. All right, Terry signing out.